Hey guys, it's me, HelloCris, and summertime is almost over, which means that school is right around the corner, which, I don't know, I'm not very excited about. But anyways, whether you do it via online or you actually are able to go to your school, you're going to need to organize your school year, and you're going to have to create a timetable so you know where and when you've got your classes. And today I'm going to help you out organize your school year. So let's get into it. So I was trying to find an easier way to do my timetables, and I came across this website called My Student Life, which actually creates a timetable for you. Before I start, this video is not sponsored at all. I really just want to help you out because this is actually how I'm going to organize my school year. And I really hope this helps you out too. So I found this computer website called My Student Life, which basically is a calendar for all your classes. Not only they have a website, they also have an app which you can synchronize with your computer, so you can have your timetable absolutely everywhere. And it's actually very easy to use, and I'm going to show you how. So let's go. First things first, you're going to need to create an account, which is very easy. It's like probably the simplest thing ever. So after creating your account, you're going to create a new school year, which basically means you'll have to set the date where your school year will start and end. And if you already know any vacations that you may have, like summer, winter break, or any other random festivities, you can also put them in, but don't worry because you can add them later on the school year, so don't worry about it if you don't know them now. Okay, so once you've created your new academic year, you've set up the dates where it start and end, and if you need the holidays, you can also set them up. Then you're going to start to create your new classes. You're going to set the name of the subject, which in this case I started by Japanese. Then you're going to choose the color, if you want to color code it or not, but I really recommend that because it makes everything so much visual and you can see how much time each class will take. And if you have to give priorities to any of the classes, you can always remember a color and that's it. And once you've done that, you're going to select the time. This is super easy, and as I have these classes on different dates of the week and at different times, I had to create different time sets for them. And once you've set all the time and how many times it will repeat, you go to your next class, next subject, and you do that with all of your subjects. So after creating my first semester classes and organizing them, I went ahead and created a new academic year for my second semester. But if you, for example, divide into trimesters or even more sections, you divide your school year, you can just keep on adding academic years. And yeah. And once I finished up setting both my semesters, I went ahead and checked up on calendar. And it will show you today's date, but as I wanted to check up on how it would work, I kept on going forward the year. And then I made it, my school year. I really want you guys to keep in mind that this is not sponsored. I was really this excited to not have to do my own calendar. After realizing all of my classes, I took a screenshot so that I could have it on my phone. But after that, I realized that they also have an app, which you can synchronize with your computer, which makes everything 100 times easier. The only problem that I find with the app, the app basically works exactly the same way as the computer website does. But the only problem that I found is that it doesn't show you the full timetable as you can see on the computer, which basically says English from 9:20 to 11, translation from 11 to 12, blah, 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 blah. It doesn't show you that. It's more tiny because it's a phone. But if you use it on a tablet, you're going to have zero problems with it. So keep that in mind. And still, I'm going to buy an agenda because having it on paper and being able to bring it with me everywhere is absolutely necessary for me. But having this website, organizing and creating my calendar and being able to see all the big exams coming up and everything else is just great. And I was super excited about it, and I actually recommend it a lot to organize your school year, and I really hope this helped you out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope we help you out. If you have any other websites, if you have any other apps, if you have any other tips to organize the school year, I'd be super happy if you left them on the comments, because I read all of them and I comment all of them, because I'm very thankful that you guys are helping me out and like showing love to my videos. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more useful stuff like this one, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.